Today I'm going to do a casual video and one of my favorite type of videos that I like to film. Get ready with me while chill out and chat with you guys. I'm starting to getting better on chit-chatting while applying makeup, so this is what I'm going to do today. I'm gonna try some new products that I have recently purchased, and also I'm gonna bring back some products that are old in my collection. So if this is something what interests you, then just keep on watching. I'm going to prep my under eye area. I mostly don't do this, I all the time forget, and during evening also I'm too tired to do it, but those are some hydrogel patch that I have from Petit Fille 24 Carats Gold. So I'm going to start with my eye makeup if I'm doing that. So I'm going to leave those like 10 minutes. What we have to try some new products on this video. We have the Hollywood Flawless Filter by Tilbury, which is not a new product, but it's new for me. We have the Ford Lip Stick or Lip Balm. Also, couple of new products that I recently picked up. I have new set of brushes to try. I have some reference face brushes. I just finished today a video where I show you how the eye brushes are working, the reference eyeshadow brushes are working, and now I want to try also together with the eye brushes the face brushes. And yeah, if there are some other new products as we go along, I'm going to speak about them. So what I did, I've applied my eyeshadow primer from Smashbox and I've set it with this powder from the Wet n Wild Mega Glow Contouring Palette. Okay, I'm going to apply my eyeshadow and I don't have a transition shade with me because you will see why. So that's why I'm going to use this Makeup Forever contour powder, that it works really nice as a transition shade for me. And I'm going to take the Refer 15, which is a blending brush. Ooh, guys, I've hit pan on this product. I'm really proud of me, but I should take a backup because this is my all-time favorite contour powder. So guys, you know me, how much I love my Zoeva crease brushes. And I will continue to love them. But having those wonderful Japanese brushes from Refer has just rocked my world. So they are amazing quality. I'm going to take one of my Chanel quads. So this is the Splendeur Audace. I always try to open it from the wrong side. And I want to play with those beautiful green and Catrice shades. So I even don't know what to do first. I think I'm going to take the green shade. This is the Refer number 12. Okay, this is not the ideal brush to pack shadow on your lid, but somehow it's working. Coming back, I'm going to blend. So guys, how are you? How it's going in the part of the world where are you living? Now at the time when I'm filming this, we are in almost the end of February, but I don't know exactly when the video will go up. We are in a very strict lockdown because the situation doesn't look nice. So it looks like people are tired of following the measures and taking care of them and on the others. I'm like sick of seeing people that don't care. And when you see them that they're wearing the masks below their nose or in the chin. So what for are good measures if people are not respecting them. So now we need to wear the FFP2 masks on public places. For my liner, I have this, oh shoot, I pulled the Essence one. I wanted to use the Catrice, but doesn't matter. I think I'm going to use the Essence one as of now. Okay, we are back, and I've also did my brows. So I never talked about this product on my channel. This is the It Cosmetics Brow Power, and it is a travel size. The size of the pencil, it's somewhere between the micro pencil and the bigger one, the triangular shape, but it's flat. But I want to tell you guys that I love this so much for my brows. So this is how it looks like. I'm impressed about this product, and I've got it in a set on Christmas. And guys, this product by Benefit, this is the Ready Set Brow. I have it from 2 years, and I've used it constantly, and it still have product. So I don't know exactly what kind of magic is inside this little tube. I'm not going to throw it out until it will be completely dry, because it's your transparent brow setting product that really hold your brows. Honestly, I don't know when I'm going to finish it, because it looks like it's never ending. What I'm going to do now is I'm going to apply my mascara on my upper lashes, then I'm going to remove my patches and starting to apply the rest of the face makeup, foundation, concealer, setting with setting powder, and then do my under eye area. So this is what I have in my mind as of now. Actually, I have noticed since I'm starting to use the Revitalash that I don't need to curl my lashes so often, because they are starting to hold their curl. And now I'm applying the L'Oreal Lash Paradise Mascara. And why I'm saying voluminous is because after I've uploaded my video where I've talked about the True Match Foundation and Concealer that are in America versus Europe. And I've told you guys, there is a lash primer from L'Oreal. This is the Lash Paradise. So you can, I'm showing you Lash Paradise primer, so I'm not kidding you. My friend Leia told me that actually in the North America, this primer, it is exactly the L'Oreal Voluminous Primer. I think I haven't seen that primer here. At some point we did have the mascara, but I don't think so that I have seen the primer here. So in United States you have, or North America, sorry, I'm all the time saying United States, but you, my Canadian friends, you always should know that I'm thinking on you when I'm speaking about the US. I'm also thinking of you. So the Lash Paradise primer looks exactly like the Lash Paradise mascara, has the same brush, and it's pink. So I'm going to take advantage the fact that I have a US address and order that primer, so I can try it together with you on camera. And for my mascara, I'm going to use the Charlotte Tilbury Pillow Talk Push Up Lashes. So I cannot talk and apply mascara on the same time. I can tell that this primer is not like my Max Factor. I am not satisfied. I'm going to use my Clinique High Impact Mascara that I usually apply it on my lower lashes. Yeah, it does help. So that means that the Charlotte Tilbury mascara, it's almost finished, which is good. I like when products are finishing, because I have the chance to open and try new ones. Okay, now I can remove my eye patches. And those are also nice because they are acting like a shield for your eyeshadow, so it prevents the fallout. Starting to apply the face product. So first I'm going to use the Hollywood Flawless Filter by Charlotte Tilbury. I'm not going to put it all over my face, even though I did, and I love the result. Maybe I should do it because I'm going to use a more matte foundation. Guys, I need to find a setup to have my mirror somewhere there, because I don't like when I'm looking down on the mirror. I finally managed to set up my camera, the white balance, and not only the white balance, there are more settings that I have done, so it doesn't look so overexposed. So now I've set it with the both LED light that I have, and I've set that so when I'm editing, I don't need to change anything on white balance or to reduce the exposure, reduce the brightness, as I usually was doing before. I was not happy the way that I was looking too much exposed. And please let me know your thoughts about the improvements on this chapter. For foundation, I'm going to use the Catrice. This is the HD Liquid Coverage Foundation, and this is actually the first shade that I have. This is the Sand Beige. This sponge is by e.l.f. Oh my god, it's so fluffy. It's the first time when I'm using it. I bought it last year from iHerb. I was planning to use it in a Get Ready With Me using e.l.f. products. I'm still going to do that, but I need to get more new e.l.f. products. Mine are too old, and I think they don't present so much interest on my channel. Oh my god, this is amazing! If it would have had some pointy tip for your concealer, I think I would love it even better. So the combination between the Charlotte Tilbury Flawless Filter and the matte foundation from Catrice gave me a very nice canvas. And to stick in the Catrice range, I'm going to use the True Skin High Coverage Concealer as my concealer. Now I'm going to set everything using my Max Factor Miracle Veil Radiant Loose Powder, including on my under eye area. So let's be shiny, let's be a bit radiant. I love this powder. Wait, I wanted to use something else. I wanted to use my Makeup Forever Contour Cream, just because I want to use up this shade, the contour shade. It's already panned, but I want to use it because it's amazing. And I was thinking to do some project panning, guys, but I don't know. I've started one in 2019, and I remember how much I was struggling to finish the products. Someone was asking me how I feel, how my health is after dealing with the miraculously survived. I was telling you that someone was asking me how I'm dealing, how I'm feeling after the COVID infection that I had a few months ago. So overall, I feel better, but I think it's better to do a complete set of analysis and see if everything is alright. So I'm planning to do that as soon as possible. I'm going to use the same Makeup Forever contour powder for my under eye area, and this is the Sonia G flat brush. Now I'm going to use my Clinique Mascara on my bottom lashes. This Clinique Mascara, guys, I think is the best mascara that I've tried for my lower lashes, and I have it from a long time, and it's still nice and don't cause me irritations. And I remember back in time, my first high-end mascara was one from Clinique. I don't know if it was this one or other, and I think I have used that mascara for almost 2 years. I kid you not. And I did not have any allergy, any infection on my eye. So, of course, it was the time when we didn't know that we have to switch our mascara every 6 months or earlier. But just saying that this mascara is really nice. I'm going to take now my Refi brush 4. This is from the Core collection. And I'm going to take the Makeup Forever contour powder. This powder, it's amazing. It's a holy grail product, but the brush makes it even flawless. I look like I have been born like this. Love the dent, guys. Look, I'm so proud of me. Perfection. Oh my god, this brush is so soft. I love it. Now I'm going to use the brush number 05, and this is the Covergirl Cheekers in the shade Brick Rose. This was sent by my friend Leia from Canada, because we don't get Covergirl here in Europe, and it's also coming with the brush, but I'm going to use my Refi brush, of course. And I'm going to pick this much, but tap it. Ooh, really pretty. Oh my god. For my highlighter, I was thinking that I'm not going to use highlighter, but I'm going to use my Charlotte Tilbury Hollywood filter on the top, because this product can be used underneath your foundation, instead of your foundation, or on the top of your foundation. And look guys, it gives me the most natural glow, even on the top of the powders. Okay, I think I have over applied on this side of the cheeks. I'm going to use the Charlotte Tilbury Lip Cheat Pencil in the shade Walk of No Shame, and the Tom Ford Lip Balm in the shade Fathom. So this was also part of my giveaway. I think it matches the eye look, this lipstick, which by the way doesn't have any fragrance, so I don't know if I mentioned, but usually luxury makeup products, and especially the lip products, they have fragrance, but this doesn't have. And also I don't think so that the Charlotte Tilbury has, no, it doesn't have any fragrance. So for those of you who don't like fragrance on their makeup, I think it will be something you'll enjoy. This is my final look. And I have some thoughts about the products that I have used. I love my Charlotte Tilbury Flawless Filter. I love the IT Cosmetics Brow Power. Of course, I'm in love with my Tom Ford Lip Balm. And what else? I'm a bit like in between with the L'Oreal Paradise Primer. It's not my favorite. My favorite is still the Max Factor. And yeah, I love the Covergirl Cheekers blush. I think it looks really natural on my skin. It's kind of your cheeks, but better. And yeah, did I use something new, something else new? I also love my Max Factor Miracle Veil powder, but I think I've already uploaded by this time my Max Factor favorite product. So in case you haven't seen that video, I highly encourage you to do that. This is all for today. I want to thank you for taking the time to watch. I hope you enjoy what you see, and I hope you'll come back for more videos like this. And other than that, I want to wish you all to have a fantastic day, and I'm gonna see you again on my next video. Have a great day, guys. Bye bye. Mwah.